ELI5. Why do JPG and JPEG both exist? It was originally supposed to be JPEG, but you had many people using computers at that time that only allowed 3-letter file extensions, so JPG was the shortened form for them. People using Microsoft products got used to JPG, and it stuck and carried over long after the limitation went away. The part after the period used to tell the computer what kind of file it was and how to process it. The standard was 3 letters. JPG stands for Joint Picture Experts Group, the organization that created the JPEG standard. The acronym JPEG didn't fit that requirement, so it was shortened to JPG. Modern operating systems use metadata within the file to know how to handle the file. It is the exact same file. The only difference is that early Windows versions only allowed for 3-letter extensions for file names. Hence JPG. Later on, you were able to use more letters, so JPG became JPEG, which stands for Joint Photographic Experts Group. I've only scanned through half the answers here, but so far, no one has answered the actual question. Yes, JPEG is an acronym for the org, but that doesn't explain why computers, in this semi-rare case, answer to both the 3-letter file extension and the 4-letter file extension. Why do we have this special case? In early macOS pre-OS X, there was a 4-letter file type code and a 4-letter creator code. The file type told the app what type of file it was opening, and the creator code would tell the OS what app to open when you double-clicked on it. I think these codes also told the OS what icon to display. These codes were invisible to most users and part of the magic of the GUI. Since the file type codes were 4 letters, it used JPEG, not JPG. Because it's just a label. The extension on a file means basically nothing but a hint. People are quite bad at consistency. On proper OS's Linux, macOS, the file name is irrelevant. It's just an indicator for humans. On Windows, the file name actually becomes part of the type of the file, and old Windows needed them to be 3 letters max. Files have a thing called content type which dictates what it actually is. The extension, the part after the dot, is irrelevant. It's embedded data in the file, not part of the name we all see. All files have the same convention, but JPG/JPEG has extra visibility due to the history of the file extension.